What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down a new brand and fragrance for us here on the channel. And it's one you've probably heard of or at least seen on social media, the Cupid's Pheromone Cologne for Men and their Hypnosis 2.0 fragrance. And I wanted to check this out because it seems like a very interesting brand and formula. They've got claims of boosting attraction thanks to their pheromone formula. And today we're going to look at the whole thing, the fragrance, the pheromones, and we're going to run through your favorite question. How does it stack up against popular colognes? First off here, this is the Hypnosis 2.0, a pheromone-infused men's cologne. And looking closer at that itself, the brand says it has a scent profile of aromatic fougere with a further description of vanilla, amber, musk, and spice. The packaging we're working with here is sleek and modern in my opinion. It's definitely an eye catcher. At first glance, you could set this comfortably next to more premium colognes like Bleu de Chanel or even Sauvage from Dior, one of my personal favorites by the way. But looking further than that, how does the actual scent compare to those? You see, the Hypnosis 2.0 opens with a bright citrusy burst. Think like bergamot with a touch of orange zest. As it dries down, I think you get a smooth blend of amber and musk, giving it a warm masculine vibe. It's kind of like that one Acqua di Gio Profumo meets Eros from Versace. Definitely not as intense, but in that same family, if you kind of catch where I'm going with this. If you look at Bleu de Chanel, for example, it brings a refined, sophisticated vibe, while Sauvage from Dior is all about rugged confidence. Hypnosis 2.0 lands somewhere in the middle, in my opinion. It's versatile, it's approachable, and really it's perfect for those who want a balance between casual and bold. I looked up the prices too for all three of these, and you can see for yourself at less than half the price of those designer heavyweights, Hypnosis 2.0 holds its own for budget-conscious shoppers looking for a good quality fragrance. And now the pheromones. I know you guys are probably interested in that. Does it work? For this, I went right to the source. I asked my wife what she thought, and while she didn't freak out over it or anything like that, she did confirm that it was a fantastic scent, so I'll take it. In the end here, I can't confirm or deny whether or not the pheromones work in the way that it's suggested. You can read a lot of testimonials on their site from people who have really seen a boost in confidence and a boost in attraction, and even just people that say they just feel like they've gotten noticed more by using this. So with all that being said, here's my final take. Hypnosis 2.0 is a solid pick if you want a unique, versatile cologne without breaking the bank. And again, I can't tell you whether it's the pheromones or just the scent doing the magic, but either way, I can tell you that it delivers. Finally, I do want to hear from you. Have you ever tried this Hypnosis 2.0 fragrance or any other pheromone colognes? Let me know in the comments section. And while you're there, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that bell icon for more content. That's it for today. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking this out with me. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.